Hi everybody, this is Lance, and today I am opening up the box I got from Pharraway for the paint gun raffle. Made it all the way from Texas to Wisconsin, and everything showed up in good condition. For these, we have plans for both my son's 1954 Chevy that he's restoring, and then behind me it's a bit of a mess, but the 66 Mustang that has turned into a shelf for a little while I clean everything up. We're hoping to get body work done this summer, and with all the videos we found from Pharraway on the 1966 Fastback that he restored, we're going to use a lot of that to help us make our way through our restoration. And just wanted to say a big thank you. We couldn't have imagined getting these, and we're completely shocked when my name came up for the raffle. So once again, thank you. And we'll definitely tag them some pictures and videos this summer of work as we progress on our vehicles.